I woke up this morning.
Gotta get up. Gotta go to Hastings. Oh, there's a storm outside.
It was a dream, but I knew deep down we could blame it on the beans. Dinner last night was a cowboy treat. Pinto, black and kidney, and all-star feet. Mama warned us all, but we didn't heed. Now the whole darn house is paying for our beans indeed. Blame it on the beans, it's a family affair. From the front porch swing to the rocking chair. If you hear a rumble, don't you be mean. Just laugh it off, y'all, and blame it on the beans. But I knew deep down we could blame it on the beans.
We are in Hastings. It is blooming horrible. That was a horrible drive up here. Oh, tipping it down. But you know, we need the life-giving water, don't we? Tracy's gone off to work, so I'm left like a good little housewife, van wife that I am, to do the cleaning. So voila, it's not too bad because we do keep on top of it. But obviously general wiping down the cupboards, hoovering, all that stuff, washing up. After I've had breakfast, of course. And obviously a shower. So part of today's routine is I've got to have a shower, shave. I might cut my hair because it's getting a bit scraggy. I've got some new clippers for that. And I've got to exercise and I've got to have breakfast. Now I used to go to the gym. We had a gym membership for the first year we were doing van life, and then we discovered we weren't using it all that much, so we got rid of that because it was just an expense we didn't need, and we didn't need to use the showers because we've got our own shower and all that kind of thing. We did carry kettlebells around, but that's an extra like 20 kilos of weight, so I got rid of those and they were just in the way anyway. So what I use now is resistance bands. I only use this one, which is like the heaviest one in a set of resistance bands, and you can double them up and stuff like that. I'm not going to show you, but you can do an array of exercises with these, and it's just as good, in my opinion, as lifting a dumbbell or a kettlebell up. And then I obviously do squats and push-ups as well, and that kind of thing. Keeps the body moving, keeps the muscles strong. Really important, especially this time of year, because you see the weather out there. I am not going to get out there at all and do any steps, really, not much. So yeah, really important to keep everything, especially at our age, moving. It's now that time, so what I shall do is do sets of exercises in between cleaning. So I'll do a little bit of washing up, do some push-ups, do a little bit of wiping up, do some push-ups, like that. And that way I'll get the cleaning done at the same time as exercising the body. Yeah. I'm not going to show you though, because I'm shy. Right, let's see if Bobble Crap's going to fight me today. Water on please, Bobble. Oh, only bloomin' worked, didn't it? It says it hasn't, but I heard it flap. I heard the flappy thing go. Right, that's me exercised, fed, watered, And this part of the van is clean. Much better. Floor all cleaned and everything. For now. I haven't done the cushions right, of course, but I don't know how cushions work. There seems to be a lot of cushions, but Tracy comes in and makes it look good. I can sit there. It's now 5 to 10. And it's still peeing it down outside, but that's okay, because I'm nice and dry and warm in here. I think it's, what is it? It's ticking around 18 degrees. Diesel heater's just ticking over on the very, very minimum, which is fine. It's freezing outside though. It's blowing a hoolie and raining. But anyway, so now I've got to get a shower, bit of beard dye. I'm going to cut my barnet as well. And then I've got to get some work done. Yeah, I do work. I've got lots to do. Let's get on. Like always, there's jobs to do. Yesterday I had to put this up, so I put this up. And I've just noticed I'm missing a screw out of my door keep. And this one's loose, so I need to repair that before I lose it. And I've got this little thingy bang, which Harley gave me from her shop. Which we're going to hang up here somewhere. I think around about there, just in front of the mirror. Hello. Up there. So I need to find a hook to do that as well. Every day there's a job or a repair, a leak or something. There's always something every day. It's now that time. And there's me all showered and stuff. Had to abandon doing the barnet because none of my razors are charged up. Brilliant. But like I said, I've got to get to work, and this is what I'm working on today. Look at that happy chappy, look. This is for my other channel, and I do have several sponsors on there. And I did a video on that on, when was it? Sunday. It's now Tuesday, and it's all ready to go, almost. So I'm just finalising a few things with I'm just waiting for the sponsor to get back with my affiliate link, so I can put that in the description and get that all finalised and everything, so that if any of my viewers on that channel want to buy one of these things that I put on the guitar, then they get a discount and I get some money as well, which is great. And that's one way you can earn some money, or one way I earn some money anyway. And once I've done that, I've got some video editing to do, probably this vlog. Is it called a vlog? Yeah, this vlog. And then I've got to start building a website for our business. Bingo. So I've spent the last couple of hours building our website. It's looking pretty good. There's one of our sinks. That's actually our sink in our bathroom. Don't know if we'll be able to get that design again, but it's looking pretty good. Obviously I'll let Tracy give it the once over, but we're not ready for it to go live yet anyway. We've got a lot more stuff to build before that. We're a little bit out of season at the moment, so we'll leave it for now, but that's good work done, I think. Getting stuff done, innit? Audio! Mrs. H likes the website so far, so on the right track with that. That's cool. But I'm going to have to leave that for the time being until we get more stock, which will be in a while. We're off to New Haven now, which is another hour away from here. So it took us an hour to get here this morning, and then another hour to get to the next one, where she's working tomorrow. Haven't been there for a couple of years, hoping that I can find a parking spot. If I remember rightly, it wasn't that easy to find a parking spot, but it was a couple of years ago, and we were a bit more novice to it, so I'm sure we'll be fine. Just arrived in New Haven, and there's a McDonald's over there, and I'm really tempted, but T-Bone won't let me. Oh yeah.
I will let you have it if you want it.
Nah, that's alright, we won't have McDonald's, it's bad.
I will just have my delicious home cooked food.
Your delicious home food, I can't wait. Chicken supreme tonight.
And it's not supreme, that's what they had back in the 70s, wasn't it? That's
Yeah.
what it is. I said, you asked me what I'm having, I said chicken. You went chicken what? I went, I don't know, it's a surprise because I don't know how I'm
Chicken supreme.
If you say so. Chicken supreme is like a whitey sauce thing.
I don't know. I've no idea. It sounds good though, doesn't it? So tell everyone what you did.
I fell over.
Tracy fell over. There's a theme going on today, because if you didn't notice, I fell over at the beginning of the video as well.
My trousers were too long and I was rushing in the rain, carrying water back to the work van, and I went...
You tripped over your own flares, didn't you?
I did. They were too long and my legs were too short. And then I fell I grazed my knee. I haven't done that since I was like 12. Well, that's a lie. I've probably done it before that when I've had too much wine. But yeah, I'm out. And my hand and everything. But didn't even look to see if anyone was looking at me. I just like jumped up, head down and ran. I actually didn't run because I was scared I might slip again. But...
I have told the viewers before that when I point a camera at you, you don't stop talking.
Well, you asked me. You asked me a question. Don't ask me questions then.
Okay.
I'm making dinner.
Okay, say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
So that was a typical day. Not really a typical day because every day is different, but that is a day. And maybe we'll film tomorrow and see what happens then as well. So good and lovely and leave you. God bless you, all that good stuff. Don't like to comment, subscribe. That was hard to say. Wasn't it?
It was for you.
So here's the jingle.
Here's the jingle.
Oh, with some gusto.
Here's the jingle. I might fall over if I start waving my arms around.
We'll ride these roads forever, side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in our little space. With laughter and loving every turn we take, this thing called amazing race, no chance we'll break.